The secret to any tasteful kitchen is, of course, quality ingredients. Start by measuring the space you want to fill. Select a nice, juicy rack of cabinets and cut them into more manageable sizes. Pre-cut white shelves are both affordable and tasty. But a little marinade really brings out the flavour. If you like it hot, like me, add some red doors for that extra spice. For warm lighting, you'll want to separate the white from the yellow. A bit of seasoning holds all the flavours together. And voila! Garnish with tea towels and remember to wash your hands before serving. Now, try your own recipe with our new customisable method kitchens. You'll find all the ingredients in the 2016 Ikea catalogue, or as I like to call it, the Ikea cookbook.